something wrong?
Can we talk for a moment?
Only for a moment.
I know you don't want me in this house. And you are right. No one would, really. But I am not a bad person. And I know neither are you. I owe my life to you. It is thanks to you I can breathe more easily now. I made a mistake. And I lied to you. But only because Lady Barraquette forced me. Believe me. Believe me. I am on your side now. I'm ready to fight on your side.
You probably overheard what Ejder and I were talking about this morning.
This morning? No, what did you talk about?
Don't you play dumb with me. You heard what we talked about leaving, right? You appear before me hat in hand, trying to get on my good side, so I just feel sorry for you. A cold day in hell before that happens. You still want Ejder? I know you do. You still think you have a chance with him, don't you? Do you think I don't see the looks you give him? You're just waiting for your chance to strike. I may have brought you into this house, but not by choice. You can say that I'm a good person. And you may even think I'm naive. But I am not a fool.
Miss Barraquette, Ejder is sending me to Istanbul. I am begging you, don't let him take me away. My life is already ruined. What am I going to do all by myself in a foreign land? I can be your servant. Don't send me away. I will do whatever you want. I will be tied to your apron strings. I am begging you, Lady Barraquette, help me.
Come on, Ivan. Get back to your room and pack up. We're leaving.
Ejder! I beg you, Ejder, don't send me away. My brother will go after me and find me at all costs. He will have no pity on me. He will kill me, Ejder.
I'm sending you to a place where he can never find you. Don't worry about that. Come on, now get ready.
But...
Ivan, get your things ready. I've arranged everything, Mother. I've hired a trustworthy man to take Elvan in my place. She will be delivered as if by my own hands. Our people will meet her once she lands in Istanbul. Neither her brother nor anyone else will ever be able to find her. She's packing her things now and she'll be on her way. What we've talked about must remain between us for Elvan's safety. Not even the house staff may know about any of it.
I wish you hadn't shared any of this with me. I would have been fine not knowing. You didn't ask for my opinion anyway. Not that anything I said would have changed your mind. I understand that I no longer have a say in your life. Yeah.
Mother. I'm trying to do what's best for everyone. I'm thinking about my marriage, that girl's life, my family's happiness. Please, Mother. Please give me some support. wish you weren't going along with her.
I just want to see with my own eyes that we're putting her into safe hands.
You have a golden heart beating inside there. Your love knows no bounds.
I think my heart feels more like a stone, Ejder, now that I'm happy she's leaving. I don't like feeling this way. I mean, I'm ashamed of myself. But is it impossible for us to be happy while we break the heart of someone else? Once the heart breaks, it isn't pure anymore, just the way it happened with Elvin. I just hope she'll be happy where she ends up. She's leaving the life she knows for a completely new life.
There's no need to worry. Everything will work itself out. Everybody will be happier than they are now. Trust what I say won't